Now that our savory pierogi are cooked, it's time to serve them. There are a few classic ways to do this, depending on how simple or how indulgent you want to go. Let's get started.
The simplest option is to serve the pierogi straight from the pot. They are tender, fully cooked, and delicious as they are. But if you want to add more texture and flavor, there are a couple of easy upgrades. The most popular option is to pan fry them. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add a bit of cooking oil. Carefully add the pierogi. They will still be wet, so expect sizzling. Let them cook on one side until they are nicely golden and lightly crisp, then flip and brown the other side. At this point, the pierogi are ready to serve straight from the pan. You can enjoy them as they are, or top them with a spoonful or two of sour cream. Sour cream adds freshness and a bit of acidity, which balances the richness of savory pierogi really nicely. And just to be clear, you don't need to pan fry pierogi to serve them with sour cream. Both ways work great. Another classic option is serving pierogi with onions. Heat a bit of oil in a pan and add a yellow onion sliced into half moons. Cook over medium heat until the onion softens and starts to turn lightly golden. Add the cooked pierogi to the pan. At this point, you can either gently warm them through or let them pan fry alongside the onions until lightly golden. Cook everything together for a minute or two, just until heated through or lightly crisped, depending on the texture you're going for. Serve right away and enjoy.